Hello student, how are you? Yesterday or last time we have discussed the height and distance topic. So today we will start the left question that I given to you. So once again I am reading the same question. Let's see. Question is, the top of a tree after breaking creates 60-degree angle from ground. If the base of branch and the distance between top of tree is 8 meter, find how much height a tree has till top to bottom. So let's see how we draw the diagram of this question. In this way we are drawing the diagram. First we will create, this is the branch of the tree. Okay, so this is the branch of a tree. Suppose it breaks from here. In this way. And fell on a ground here. So this is a tree, so I am making a figure of tree here. So I am giving a point here. This is the A point, this is a C point, and this is B point. And as the question is creating a 60-degree angle, so I am making here 60-degree angle on B point. And distance between top of tree is 8 meter, means this is the top of tree. Suppose if it was straight, then this become a top of the tree, and the distance between bottom is 8 meter. So this bottom, because the tree has been break from here, so the distance is become a 8 meter, this one. Okay, so this is the distance from top to bottom. Now consider the value of AB equal to y, and value of AC equal to x. To see what the solution is here. So see here, let the distance of peak from its base edge, let the distance of peak from its base is x plus x positive y, and by part has been braked. Okay, by part has been breaked. Now by using sine rule, by using tan rule in triangle ABC, this is triangle ABC, so we will use the tan rule here. By using tan rule in triangle ABC. Okay student, got it? By using which rule? Tan rule in triangle ABC. Look here, this angle is elevation of angle is 60 degree. So we will write here tan 60 equal to tan, value of tan equal to height upon base. So height is AC and base is CV. Tan is what? It is the height upon base. So height is what? Height is AC and base is BC here. Okay. So now we will substitute the value of AC and BC from here. Now see, tan 60 you know, because tan 60 equal to, what is the value of tan 60? It is root 3. So on the place of tan 60 we will put root 3 equal to, on the place of AC, value of AC equal to how much? Value of AC equal to x. So we will put here x upon base. Base is BC. BC is 8 meter. It is 8. So x value is how much? 8 root 3. What is value of x? 8 root 3 meter. Now we will calculate the value of y. So in order to calculate the value of y, we will take by cos rule in same triangle. By cos rule in same triangle ABC. So angle will be same, cos 60, because this is the angle of elevation. But cos, what is the value of cos theta? Cos theta equal to base upon hypotenuse. Cos theta equal to base upon hypotenuse. Base upon hypotenuse, base is same BC and hypotenuse is AB. Now substitute the value of BC and AC. Before that, let's see what is the value of cos 60, because cos 60 equal to 1 upon 2. So on the place of cos 60 we will put 1 upon 2 here. BC as BC is the 8, same BC is the 8 meter, so we will put a 8, and AB we don't know, it is a variable y. So by multiplication y equal to 16 meter. Got it this thing? So on conclusion, hence the length of, or we say hence the required height of tree equal to how much? X positive by equal to 8 root 3 positive, value by 16. So we take 8 as a common here, 8 root 3 positive 2 meter. So this is the answer of this question. Once again I am revising this question. Let's see. Question is, the top of a tree after breaking creates 60-degree angle from ground. If the base of branch and the distance between top of tree is 8 meter, find how much height a tree has till top to bottom. So we construct a diagram image here. Let the distance of peak from its base is x positive y, and by part has been broken. So by part has been broken from point A. First we will use the tan rule in triangle ABC. So tan 60 equal to height upon base AC upon BC. Because tan 60 equal to root 3 value, so we will put on place of tan 60 we are putting root 3 equal to x upon 8. So value of x equal to 8 root 3 meter. Now again we will use the cos rule in the same triangle ABC. Cos 60 equal to base upon hypotenuse equal to BC upon AB. Now before moving forward, let's remember the value of cos 60. Cos 60 equal to 1 upon 2. So 1 upon 2 equal to 8 upon y. So after calculating this fractional equation, y equal to 16 meter. Hence the required height of tree equal to x positive y equal to 8 root 3 plus 16. After taking 8 as a common, 8 root 3 plus 2 meter is the answer. Hope you all understand this. So moving on the next question. Next question is, an angle of elevation is 30 degree made by any place from the top of any building. I am writing the question. An angle of elevation is 30 degree made by any place from the top of any building. If after moving towards building 100 meter, angle of elevation become how much? Angle of elevation becomes 60 degree. Then find the height of the building. Then find the height of the building. Okay, so let's see the solution of this question. An angle of elevation is 30 degree made by any place from the top of any building if after moving towards building 100 meter, angle of elevation becomes 60 degree. Then find the height of the building. So first we will draw figure here. So first we will construct a building of any height h. This is the building of height h. From point from any place it is 30 degrees the angle of elevation. So let this is the place from where the angle of elevation is how much? 30 degree. And after moving 100 meter towards the building, so this is the 100-meter distance, the angle of elevation become how much? 60 degree. So I am closing here this building. This is the building. Okay. So this is A point, this is B point, this is C point, and this is D point. So as per question, 100 meter move toward the building. First angle is 30 degree elevation, then angle of elevation become 60 degree. Let's consider this value is equal to x. So whole value become how much? X positive 100. Got it these things, and consider the value of a to v equal to height equal to h. So this is all about the diagram. Let's see the solution now. First we will elaborate this diagram. Let's see. C is the point from where the angle of elevation evaluated how much? 30 degree. Let AB is the height of building. Let AB equal to h is the height of building. Let D is the point from where D is the point from where the angle changes into why the angle is changing? Because we are going towards the building. So angle change into how much? 60 degree after moving after moving 100 meter towards building. So first let's see in the triangle ABD. Okay, in triangle, which one? ABD. Why tan rule? So apply tan rule here. Theta value is 60 degree. So tan 60 equal to, tan is height upon base. This is the height. Again I am writing height upon base. Height is AB, base is BD. AB value is H, base is X. Because we know tan 60 equal to root 3, so put value of root 3, tan 60 equal to root 3 in the equation. So tan 60 equal to root 3. Root 3 equal to AB, H and BC, X. So from here we will form the value of H as a root 3 X. Make this the equation number 1. Let's move forward. Now we have taken the triangle ABD. Now we will take the triangle, which one? ABC. So in triangle ABC, again by tan rule. Which rule? By tan rule. Again by tan rule. So now the angle is 30 degree here. So now the angle is 30 degree. So we will put tan theta value equal to 30. Tan 30 equal to same height upon base, HEI upon base. So height is AB and base is, now the base is BC, full base for the triangle ABC. Because we know BC equal to, value of BC equal to X positive 100, so we will put BC equal to X positive 100. And also write tan 30 equal to, how much? 1 upon root 3. So put tan 30 equal to 1 upon root 3 here. AB equal to H same and BC equal to X positive 100. Okay student. So 1 upon root 3 equal to H upon X plus 100. Now as we from equation 1, this one, H equal to root 3x, we will substitute here. So from equation 1, H equal to root 3x, we will substitute here on the place of H. So this become 1 upon root 3 equal to root 3 x upon x positive 100. Now multiply value, this value here and this value here by cross multiplication. By cross multiplication, we get root 3 and root 3 equal to 3x, and this value is x positive 100. Transfer this x this side, so 3x negative x equal to 100, 2x equal to 100. So value of x equal to 100 upon 2 means 50. So now we get a value of x, hence the required height of building equal to root 3x, because value of h equal to root 3x, so we will substitute value of x 50 here, so value will be 50 root 3 meter. This is the answer. Okay student, got it? Again I am explaining this. So our question is, an angle of elevation is 30 degree made by any place from the top of any building. If after moving towards building 100 meter, angle of elevation becomes 60 degree, then find the height of the building. So first we have prepared the image here. So this is the building, this is the point from where angle of elevation is 30 degree, and after moving 100 meter towards the building, the angle of elevation becomes 60 degree. So the full value of BC equal to x plus 100, and this x we consider and h we consider. So let's see is the point from where the angle of elevation is 30 degree evaluated. Let AB equal to h is the height of building. Let D is the point, from where the angle change into 60 degree after moving 100 meter towards the building. So first we will take triangle ABD. So in triangle ABD, by tan rule, tan 60, because theta equal to 60 degree, height upon base, height is AB, base is BD. So h upon x, we know that value of tan 60 equal to root 3. So put here. So root 3 equal to h upon x, value of h equal to root 3x. This we make a equation number 1. Now again in triangle ABC. Now in triangle ABC, by applying same tan rule, so tan 30 now become tan 30 equal to AB upon BC. So tan 30 equal to height upon base AB upon BC, because BC equal to x plus 100, BC equal to x plus 100, and tan 30 equal to value 1 upon root 3. So on the place of tan 30 I put 1 upon root 3, and AB equal to h and BC equal to x plus 100. Now see from equation 1, value of h equal to root 3x, so we will put root 3x on the place of h. By cross multiplication, root 3 is equal to 3, x plus 100 is same. Transfer this x here, 3x negative x equal to 100, 2x equal to, by subtracting 3x negative x minus x, 2x equal to 100, x equal to 100 upon 250. Hence the required height of building h equal to root 3x equal to root 3. On the place of x I put a value 50, so 50 root 3 meter. So this is the answer of this question. Hope you all understand. So moving on the next question. Next question is, The shadow of 7-meter long pole, the shadow of the shadow of 7-meter long pole is becoming 7√3. Then find the angle of elevation of sun. Okay, so let's see what is the solution. The shadow of 7-meter long pole is becoming 7√3. Then find the angle of elevation of sun. So first we will construct a pole here. Okay, so pole is what? This is the pole. Okay, this is the pole A B, and its shadow is 7√3. So let its shadow is on point C. So point C, we are moving a little bit more here. Join this base here. Why I make this? Because there is a, we will consider a angle theta here, and this theta is will be same here. Here I am constructing the sun. Okay, so this is the sun. Pole value is 7-meter height, and this is 7√3 meter. Got it, this thing? So we have to find out this angle theta. What is the value of theta? So let's see the solution. Image is clear to you? Let A be the pole. Let AB is a pole. Equal to 7-meter. Shadow BC equal to how much? 7√3 meter. Let angle of elevation of sun. Let angle of elevation of sun equal to theta. So in triangle ABC, by which rule? By tan rule. So by tan rule, we will apply a tan rule. So tan theta equal to height upon base. Height is height upon base. In triangle, height is AB and base is BC. Okay, so AB and BC, we will put the value of AB and BC as given here, AB and BC. So tan theta equal to AB equal to how much? 7 and BC equal to 7 root 3. Got it this thing? Now 7 and 7 will cancel here. 7 and 7 will cancel and tan theta become 1 upon root 3. 1 upon root 3, because we know tan 30 equal to 1 upon root 3. So we will put on the place of 1 upon root 3 equal to tan 30. So tan and tan will cancel here and theta value become how much? 30 degree. Hence angle of elevation of sun is angle of elevation of sun equal to 30 degree. This is the answer. Once again I am revising the question. The shadow of 7 meter long pole is becoming 7 root 3, then find the angle of elevation of sun. So we construct AB is a pole and BC is the shadow. Sun is making angle of elevation theta. Let AB is a pole, shadow BC equal to 7 root 3 meter. Let angle of elevation of sun equal to, this is sun, I write it as sum, equal to theta. In triangle ABC, by tan rule, tan theta equal to height upon base, AB upon BC. Tan theta equal to AB equals 7 meter, BC equals 7 root 3. 7 and 7 become cancel. Tan theta equal to 1 upon root 3. So 1 upon root 3 is equal to tan 30. So we will put tan 30 on place of 1 upon root 3. So theta equal to 30 degree. Hence angle of elevation of sun equal to 30 degree. Answer. Hope all you understand this solution. And last question of today class is a 6 meter ladder is placed with the support of ball by 45 degree angle. Then ladder will reach till what height of wall? Then we have to find ladder will reach till what height of wall. Again see the solution. Okay, so concentrate here. First I will make a image here. So image this. First we will make a wall. So wall is, let's make base first. This is the base, this is the ball. Okay, this is the ball. Clear? Got it, this thing? And this is the ladder. Okay, got it. This is the ladder. So ball I am writing A, C, and this is the B point. A 6-meter ladder. So 6-meter ladder means this value is 6 meter. And AC we will consider as a X. And a 6-meter ladder is placed with the support of ball by 45-degree angle of elevation. So this angle is how much? 45 degree. Got it, students? So we will elaborate little bit about the image here first. Let AB is a ladder and AC is a ball. Let AB is a ladder and AC is a wall. We have given what we have given value of AB equal to 6 meter, value of AB equal to 6 meter, and angle ABC equal to 45 degree, and let AC equal to X. This we consider from our side, AC equal to X. So in triangle ABC, by sine rule. So sine rule we will apply here. So theta value is 45. So sine 45 degree equal to, sine is what? Height upon hypotenuse. Height upon hypotenuse. Height is what? AC. Hypotenuse is what? AB. Got it, this thing? So on the place of AC we will put X, on the place of AB we will put 6, because sine 45 equal to 1 upon root 2. Got it, this thing? So we will put sine 45 equal to 1 upon root 2 here. and x upon 6 same here. So from here calculating x will become value how much? 3 root 2 meter. Got it this thing? Hence ladder will reach the wall length equal to, hence the ladder will reach till the wall height equal to 3 root 2 meter. So this is our answer. Once again I am revising the question. Concentrate here. Students, question is, a 6-meter ladder is placed with the support of ball by 45-degree angle of elevation. Then ladder will reach till what height of wall? So first we prepare a image here. This is the ball. If you want to write here, you will write the wall here. WA double L wall. Okay. Let AB is the ladder, AB is the ladder and AC is the wall. Given, we have given AB equal to 6 meter, the ladder length is 6 meter. Angle ABC, angle of elevation is 45-degree, and we consider AC equal to X. So in triangle ABC, by sine rule, sine 45 equal to height upon hypotenuse. Height equal to AC, hypotenuse equal to AB equal to X upon 6, because we know sine 45 equal to 1 upon root 2. So 1 upon root 2 equal to X upon 6. So X equal to 3 root 2 meter. Hence the ladder will reach till the wall height equal to 3 root 2 meter. Okay student, hope you understood all this. Very much thank you. In the next class we will discuss the angle of depression. Okay, so angle of depression we will discuss in a next class. Thank you.